It's New Year's Eve, and on New Year's Day, I'll be taking down my Christmas decorations, but I wanted to share them with you before I took them down. In my very first video, I was just getting moved into my home. I decided to decorate immediately for Christmas to share with my friends and family that would happen to stop in, and I wanted to show you how it turned out. I'll be showing my living room, my kitchen, and my entry hallway. I really hope you like this video. I won't be talking through it. I just want you to enjoy what we enjoyed during the Christmas holidays. Thank you so much for taking this journey with us. We're so blessed to have you. Welcome back to Weekends with Mimi.
We saw a star in the east. We saw a star. We saw a star in the east. Met the king and said our piece. As we traveled through the desert, looking for the King of Heaven. Bring the gold, perfume, and myrrh. We search far and wide just to serve. We've arrived, Bethlehem is ahead. This is all as the prophecy said. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. And a baby was born. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. The king is come. Ooh, ah, let his will be done. Until kingdom come. We see a small barn, goats and sheep, far from what we expected to see, but I could feel heaven all around me. The Son of God, yet humble in me. He was sent to protect the weak. As we step in, we fall to our knees. The Messiah has arrived, yes indeed. The heavens cry out, let freedom ring. Bring the gold, perfume, and myrrh. Accept these gifts, though it's less than deserved. We were faithful to the prophecies. Now we know who the Father is. As we depart, let it be known. King has arrived to claim his throne. As we travel through the desert, we found the King of Heaven. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. And a baby was born. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. The king is come. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. Let his will be done. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. Until kingdom come.
Thank you so much for sharing your weekend with Mimi. Be sure to share and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in 2021. Have a happy new year. Be blessed and stay safe.